What's up, guys? This is my 997 Turbo and my COVID-19 project. I'm going to be taking out the powertrain to do major service, maintenance, also some preventative maintenance by pinning the coolant lines and pinning the camshafts. So it's going to be a lot of work, but we'll get it done. First thing I do is recover the AC refrigerant. That way I'm able to remove the AC compressor with the powertrain rather than having it hang with the refrigerant still inside. So that's about done. I'll get started. Can you spot me with this real quick? Make sure. Hey guys, sorry I got carried away yesterday, kind of stopped filming halfway through, tearing everything down, but this is where I'm at today. I've got the powertrain pretty much broken down and torn down to where it needs to be to remove the camshafts. I used a dial in the carry yesterday to find TDC on cylinder 1 and 4 as the workshop manual had outlined. All the water housings are removed and ready to be pinned. There's one up right here. The turbos. Yeah, hopefully it makes more progress today. So these are the notorious coolant pipes that are known to eject from their water jacket. There's 7 of them total, and these are the plastic coolant outlets that are known to crack. That was pretty grody. Anyway, these are underneath the transfer housing for the oil and coolant, and yeah, they run underneath the plenum intake manifold, so it's kind of a bear to get out. I'm gonna take a bunch of stuff apart. Anyway, you want to replace these plastic ones. With Sharkworks, they sell these metal pipes. Obviously, those won't crack. So 7 coolant pipes total. This is on the bank 1 water housing. There's one here underneath this hose, and another one right here underneath this hose. You want to heat them up and take these aluminum pipes out and then clean everything up and then re-glue it. Another one is right here, and this is basically your tensioner pulley housing. This water jacket bolts right to it. And then the other 3 run right on top of the water pump and thermostat housing. This is your thermostat housing right here. So you got one there, and one there. I've got a new water pump and gasket that I'm going to go put on while it's out of the car. And it's a good idea. Obviously, it's probably a must-do while you're doing all this to replace all these rubber hoses. Yeah, after what, the car is 13 years old now, you don't want to go reusing all this stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. You don't want to go too overboard with the vise and crack this probably really expensive housing right here. Kind of snug it. Find a socket that you can use to insert into the coolant pipes. That way when you go in with your vice grips or whatever you use, it doesn't crush the aluminum. So 17mm socket seems to work pretty well for these bigger ones. You don't want to go overboard with heating up the aluminum. So I'm using a match torch just to get around where the fluid is entirely. About 180 degrees. I don't like to go really over maybe 220 max. I'm going to try to really keep this clean. Let's see. So with some finessing, I got the coolant pipes out of the water jacket. See, they're just glued in place for the factory, which is common practice for a lot of automakers, but I guess the glue that Porsche uses is basically some shit. Anyway, another 4 to go.